Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax, Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Solstice 230. We'll start off at the stern of the boat. As you see, it has a nice submersible swim platform. This boat is also equipped with a 300 horsepower Verado Mercury engine. Nice wide swim platform. On the back of the boat, we have nice speakers on the back. We also have shore power to charge your batteries on this boat, as well as a remote stereo. We also have an additional remote stereo on the back for the folks that might be using the swim platform, along with 2 USBs and a 12-volt charger. And as you can see, plenty of cup holders for those nice hot summer afternoons. This boat has it all, folks. This boat is equipped with a ski tower, a double bimini top, so it's got shade for everybody on this boat. Additional speakers back here, 2 under the seats, another one at the bulwarks, 12-volt charger back here as well, with additional cup holders, and those are all lit, by the way. We have a refreshment stand here with additional storage underneath. This boat comes with a high back helm seat. And one of the things I do want to point out that is new with Harris this year is it has a wireless phone charger stationed on the helm. This boat does come equipped with digital throttle, JL Audio upgraded stereo, 9-inch Simrad, full instrumentation. Something else that's new on Harris boats that I'd like to point out this year is the flip-up helm. This flips up. As you see, you have your self-bailing compartments here. It makes all the electronics easily available under the helm. Really super nice feature. We got a nice glove box here as well. This has been really, really well received in the boating community so far this year. We have a ski locker at midships. Plenty of room up front for additional people with 6 cup holders on the bulwarks, additional speakers. One of the new things that Harris has done for 2020 is they brought the speakers up on the bulwarks and off of the floor for much better audio sound. Nobody listens to music with their ankles. If this is a boat you'd like to see more of, my name is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Give us a call, 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot for watching.